Good morning, children. Welcome in today's moral value session. Today we are going to study lesson number 3, that is about bullying. In this lesson, I am going to tell you 3 different stories. So let's start. There was a boy, Hoshang. Good work, Hoshang. You have scored the highest marks in science as well, the teacher told. Hoshang's teacher beamed as she gave him his term paper. Yuvan and Arnav snickered. We will see what he scores in sports. Hoshang was an extremely bright boy, but there was one thing he was not good at: sports. Yuvan and Arnav always tormented him during the physical education class. Why are you a slowing and not a rushing, Hoshang? Hoshang kept ignoring them and hoped they would stop teasing him, but they never did. Each time he ran, they would clap loudly and tell the others, "Be a sport, clap for the loser." They call him loser all the time and often tried to trip him when no one was looking. The previous day, they had taken Hoshang's new water bottle and had flung it in the mud. Hoshang did not know what to do. Why is Hoshang being bullied? What can he do, do you think? Hoshang decided to tell his parents about the teasing over dinner. I think you need to have a word with your teacher and inform her, as mother said. But Hoshang's father disagreed. I am not sure about that. It's best to ignore it as far as possible, but you must not allow them to harm you or your belongings. As Hoshang listened to them, he wondered if he should confide in his friends and get them to help him about it. The second story about Sunil. Not there. These seats are reserved, Prakash told to Sunil. But I want to sit here. What do you mean reserved? There are no reserved seats in this bus, replied Sunil. Prakash shouted, You can't sit here, you moron. Why are you such an idiot every day? Don't you understand? You don't want you foolish creature? Sunil was so upset that he went to bus attendant and told her what had happened. Didi shouted at Prakash. She said Sunil could sit wherever he wanted to, and Prakash was not allowed to use such terrible language. Prakash scolded at Sunil. When the other boys entered the bus, Prakash told them what had happened. Prakash and the others sat together every day and left Sunil alone. They played interesting games, but Sunil was not allowed to sit with them. Prakash teased Sunil when he entered the bus. Cry, baby! When Sunil entered the bus, Sunil asked him to repeat what he was saying. Nothing. Why would I say anything to complaint box like you? Sunil hated taking the bus. He was miserable and did not know what to do. If you were Sunil, what you do? Think about it. Sunil was helpless and unhappy. He had tried to stop the bullying by complaining to the bus attendant, but it continued in a different way. Prakash would not scream at him again, but Sunil was feeling left out completely. Everyone in the bus seemed to be against him, even though he had not done anything to harm them. How he wished he had just one friend in the bus. Now the third story is about Armin. It was lunchtime and Pooja was looking around for a place to sit. Armin's bench had space, but Pooja squeezed it with Mehak instead. Pooja told Mehak, Who knows what Armin has bought for lunch today? I had rather not sit with her. Later in the day, teacher said she should be changing partners. Armin's partner cheered loudly. Finally! Mehak was Armin's new partner. Mehak looked very unhappy and pulled her desk further away from Armin's. Armin did not say anything. When it was time to work on their science project, they were allowed to form groups of their choice. Armin tried to join Pooja's group, but they told her they already had 4 people. She asked Mehak if she could work with them, but Mehak refused. No one wanted Armin in their group. Armin did not know what to do. Why is Armin being left alone in school? Armin was feeling completely helpless. She did not seem to have anyone in the class to turn to who might be able to help. What are her options? If she complains to the teacher, she is worried it will worsen the situation. She has tried ignoring the others, but that has not helped at all. She is increasingly isolated and no one wants to be with her. If only someone in class would understand how she feels. How can you help? What's common in the 3 situations? Hoshang, Armin, and Sunil are all being bullied in different ways and for different reasons. Sometimes the reason is not very clear, but it leads to one person being isolated and feeling left out. The person being bullied does not know what to do and feels helpless. So we have to find its solution. What is the solution? What can you do if you observe someone being bullied? If the bullying is intense and severe, you should report it immediately. Sometimes, however, just standing up for the person being bullied may help. At every instance, try and remember how the person being bullied feels. Never ever bully anyone. Thank you so much, children. Read your chapter carefully and help the people when they need. Bye bye. Take care.